Hey, what's going on YouTube? So with the downloader situation where you're going into the store, Amazon store, and you can't find downloader, just do it the way I've been teaching you guys on my channel. You're simply gonna go to the find icon, and then you're gonna search in the Amazon store like you've been searching for apps. And instead of typing downloader, you're gonna use the handy voice remote, the blue button here on the new Fire Sticks. On the old one, you will need a remote with the voice search, or use the voice search on the screen and search for downloader by pressing it and saying downloader without typing it in. That's going to find you downloader. That's the situation. Downloader has not been removed from the Amazon store. I checked, it's still here. That is the situation. We can only find it with the voice remote. And I've been telling you for the longest time to do it that way on my channel, because I like to teach you the best way, which is using the voice remote without typing it in. It takes a long time. It looks like it's not working. It won't show up if you type it in. Quick update, guys. Thank you for watching. Hit the comments below. Are you able to get downloader by typing, searching? Let me know in the comments below, guys. Thank you. See you later. Quick fix for downloader.